Members, this video is just for you guys. I want to talk about Nike. I want to talk about UNH. So let's talk about Nike. You know I have a position in them about $10,000. I was thinking about selling them, but I'm not going to. I was talking to the WAP about it, and I think it makes more sense to hold on to this position. The reason is this. We had this high of 167. We rejected again right here at 116. We rejected again at $80 per share. I've accumulated a position around $66 per share. I have been buying shares while this has been sitting at this zone. I was watching this support zone here around $60. We've been adding $60, been adding $60, been adding. Now, because I've been continuously dollar cost averaging into Nike, I want to give this a chance. When I look at this stock, I definitely think there's a lot of opportunity. I just have to be patient. That's really the biggest thing, and that's usually sometimes been a problem with my holdings. So I'm going to continue to hold on to this $10,000 position. I want to see a move eventually get back up to at least $100 to $115 per share. Looking for an 80% return on Nike. I know it might sound crazy, but if we do break out of this trend right here, rejection there, rejection there, rejection there, we can start to make higher highs, break through this channel. Maybe we consolidate for a little bit, but I want to be patient and then look for that push higher is what I want. I also want to talk about UNH. UNH is interesting because I was thinking about potentially selling them. And I may do this, but I'm going to show you if I do sell them, and I will update you right away on the YouTube Shorts, so always check out for that. But if I do sell them, the reason is because of this. We had this massive news with all of the news that came out with the Medicare and all that, the reimbursements, and we sold off drastically, 27%. For me, I was up in the green. We have a cost basis of $300 per share on UNH. And when I look at this, I'm hesitant to sell them, but when I look at the 6-month chart, we have clear rejection points. We saw that this was holding this line here at $305 per share right here. It was holding right there. It was holding right here. And now if you move further down the line, we have a potential for an inverse head and shoulders here. Here's your left shoulder, here's your head, here's your right shoulder forming. And now, if you look, zoom in on the channel here, let's go on the 5-day. If we can break out here, I think we can make that move above back to 300 is what I'm looking for. But there is massive resistance around 305. So I need to be cautious looking into this. If I decide to sell UNH, I will definitely let you know and look for a better opportunity. Where is that opportunity right now? I'm trying to funnel more money into this stock, Microsoft. I'm trying to get this position up to $50,000. What I like is when I look at this right here, I look at Microsoft, had basically this long-term trend since 2023. And if I can get that bounce and buy more shares under $400 per share and hold this into 2026, look for that move back up to 480, 500. Ideally, I would love for that move, lower my cost basis down in the YouTube portfolio down to about 425 per share. And then if we can get a move, let's say cost basis 425 back up to here, it's a 10% move. And then if we can get it back to all-time highs, we're looking at a 25% gain. That's a move that I am looking for. I want to keep you guys updated what I'm interested in trading. So we're going to be watching Nike. We're going to see if we can get that breakout. If we get that breakout, fantastic. If we don't get it, that's okay. We're going to continue holding, collect that dividend. And then in the meantime, we're going to keep our eye on UNH. And if UNH does get up to 300, I'm going to monitor, see if it looks like a rejection point, maybe take a little gains off the table, and then we can start allocating that 13 to 14K into Microsoft unless a better opportunity comes along. But right now, this Microsoft opportunity is just too good to pass up. I want to see another blast up from here, 393 back up to 500. That would be beautiful.